Hello, I'm doing an installation of these ISOFIX covers for a Ford Focus C-Max rear seat. Just wanted to point out a couple of things on when cutting into the seat upholstery. I didn't use this one, so I don't know what it's for. Maybe just for marking the edges of the holes or whatever. I don't know. So this one I didn't use. I used this one, but I wanted to point out that while the dimensions of the holes themselves are accurate, as you can see, but the width of how far the holes sit from each other, I think it's a little bit too narrow on the template. Why I say that is the ISOFIX, the kind of bar, or however you would call it, it has U shape in it on both sides. I don't know if it's possible to see. Like that. So the covers, when you install them, they are not adjustable. You can't slide them left or right. They are fixed because of this U shape. And as you can see on this one, it has little tabs. So if the rod itself comes through here, the tabs will lock this inside the U shape, if it makes sense. So it's kind of fixed. So if you would cut the hole slightly inboard, you couldn't install this because it has to fit within the U shape itself. But if you look at this, and this is an accurate cut, but if you use a template to make the cuts, you can see that while this is in the correct position, this one's off like a centimeter or even more, slightly. So just take note of that when cutting. Like scissors are okay to use. I used scissors, and when cutting I think the height of the hole also, you can make it a little bit lower than the template would let you. Anyway, the installation is, when you cut the hole, you just make sure the tabs or the ears go through the hole nicely,